Welcome back to Roatan. I'm Sophia Fedio and I'm your Roatan Realtor. Today we are coming to you from Turtle Crossing on the south shore of West Bay. Turtle Crossing 11 is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom villa that sits on 0.46 of an acre and is listed at $995,000 USD. This home has stunning ocean views. This home has been recently renovated, is being sold turnkey furnished, and is ready for immediate occupancy. All you have to do is pack your bags and move right in. There is room for expansion if you wanted to put in a pool or an apartment below the home for additional income. Located minutes away from West Bay Beach and all of the amenities, including dive shops, restaurants, bars, and more. Let's have a look at this home. 2 bedrooms mean that you can either have an extra office space or room for guests. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.